really stopped to think about what's in the products that you're using every day in your kitchen? I know I hadn't until I discovered some simple, non-toxic swaps that completely transformed my home. And TrulyFree is my secret weapon. The first tip is to ditch the plastic storage. Glass containers are an easy upgrade. No worries about chemicals leaching into your leftovers, plus they look so much better. Next, I traded all of my non-stick cookware for stainless steel or cast iron. They're safer, more durable, and they last for years. Don't forget about the cooking utensils. Swap plastic for wooden or stainless steel so you're not cooking with toxic chemicals. Now let's talk cleaning. Traditional cleaning products are full of harsh ingredients, but TrulyFree's everyday cleaner is safer and more effective. It's powerful and works on everything from counters to cabinets. For windows and glass, TrulyFree's glass cleaner leaves a streak-free shine without any nasty residue. Now, kitchens have their share of good and bad smells, right? But TrulyFree's odor and stain eliminator tackles the bad, leaving your kitchen smelling fresh. And lastly, TrulyFree's space refresher is my favorite finishing touch. Just a few sprays and my kitchen smells like clean, fresh air. No synthetic fragrances needed. The next important switch is dishwashing. Many soaps are loaded with harmful chemicals that can linger on your dishes and even irritate your skin. But TrulyFree's dish soap and dishwasher soap are reliable, non-toxic solutions that are gentle on your hands and tough on grease and grime. And they leave your dishes sparkling clean. So now I think you can see that making your kitchen healthier does not have to be so complicated. And with a few simple swaps and TrulyFree's products, it's that easy to create a safer, cleaner home. And if you found any of these non-toxic tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.